Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. It's been a long time. We are out on an adventure. Today is my day off from work and the kids are on vacation, summer vacation. So we take them to a park that we always want to take them to. It's a huge park full of activities at their age. So we're here. We have ticket for me, Babe and Tyler that we got online. But because of Sarah age, we have to get the ticket. Here on spot. So Baby's in the line. He is right here with Tyler. Baby's here with the backpack. And Sarah is here. Sarah! So Wagwan. Ready to have fun? Yeah, who you have with you? Who is that you have with you? Who is that?
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
It's so cool.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, it's gonna be a good day. We're looking forward to today. So we're here waiting on the tickets, and then actually it's two huge parks on the same property, but we're not going to the big boy one today. We're going to the one that both of them will be able to enjoy. We'll eventually come back to the other one, but we want to test this one first. Not right now, later. Okay, there's no candy in there. Look, empty, no candy. Anyway, you guys, so that's what the day is gonna be, and I'll try to take you guys along with us as much as we can. There's zip lining, there is courses to do along the day. So we have our picnics, we have our sandwiches, we have snack, we have water with ice. It's hot out. Yeah, we have water with ice, we have juice and all the good stuff. So let's go have a good day, shall we?
Sarah can do the things by herself without being with someone. She almost can do everything, she said, but if he's bigger than her size, she has to be with somebody.
Okay.
Go there.
All right, let's go. Come on. All right, so that was just a rundown of the park and which activity the kids can do. Come, eat your crepe. You have to finish your crepe before you start activity, okay? Come on. We're trying to do as much as we can. We're not gonna pass none. Ah, they're little cabins. They're little things here. What do you do? Right? These are you just go in them. Birthday party, private. Okay, that's cool. They've started. Roll, Sarah, roll! Ah.
Mama, I mean this one.
No, it's you roll it on your own. Stand. Voila. Stand. Stand in it. Stand up. Stand. Sarah gonna hit you. Oh, stand. Turn the other way.
This one.
Ty, what you scream for? Hold on, yeah. Hold it. Voila. Ready?
C'est parti.
Ready?
C'est parti. Tyler this time.
I just closed my eyes.
Go, Sarah. We climbing. We going up.
You come.
Yeah. Sarah almost at the top. Sarah, wait when you're reaching the house. I'm shaking in the camera. Look at Sarah. Sarah almost reached the top. Here they are. So throughout these parks you have many of these obstacles to do, and when you're reaching the tree house you have slides. So you have one slide on this end and you have one slide at this end. I don't know which of them they're gonna come down in, but this is so cool. They're having so much fun, and the good thing is the adults can do majority of the activities with them. Oh, Tyler's side is connected to our next way. Okay, they're sliding down. Tyler came first. Sarah is next. Allez, bébé. Papa is out. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that climb. Look how far he's coming.
I like this part because there's a lot of this and slide. Because I love it.
This is a workout, babe.
Sarah,
This?
shut up.
My gosh. Sarah, you wait.
The heavier you are,
The hard, oh yeah. It's hard.
This is easy.
Yes, it's easy for the kids. They fly up. But the adults,
The end is.
give me the phone. Oh my gosh. The struggle is real. Come, babe. You're almost there.
Sarah, just
Wait. Let Tyler go first, Sarah. Tyler, go in front of you, okay? And then you go. Tyler, go in front to protect you. Go. Jesus. She can't reach up.
When I'm winning 2-0, this is not
You guys, I cannot keep up. Look at them. Tyler, say hello to Fizz. Tyler. Say wagwan. Hey, babe, your turn.
Wagwan.
How's the park going so far?
It's going good. The kids are
Mama,
enjoying
can
it.
I just go see in the mirror?
Which mirror? Where? It changed how you look? Tyler, come. Hey, come and eat first.
Come and eat first!
Allez, come. Tu écouteras après.
You go and watch chapter. Eat first. How are you enjoying the park?
Very good. It's my favorite part so far.
Nice. Sarah, you having fun? You ready to eat?
Yeah, after we play.
Yes, after we play.
After we're going to do the parcours filet and cabane.
Okay. What is parkour, filet and cabane in English? Obstacle course.
It's just behind you.
Filet, net, and cabane is a house tree.
Okay.
Where you
Okay.
see, oh, Paco de Filet.
House, the tree house.
This is the cat.
There are many tree houses over here, as you guys can see one right now here. There's one in front of us.
Slide and
There's
a lot
another.
of things like
There's
this.
one. Almost all the trees have. And then you have these big walkways to go up. It's nice. There's so many things to do over here. Well, they're happy. So, that's good. Now we eat.
Oh, you asked me for the price, so it's 8. Yeah, next one.
Let's go. Thanks. Wait, Ty, wait. Don't go it because I want to film you.
And you wait, Ty.
No, go, get in. Sarah, wait. Okay, Ty, go. Push. Leave Sarah. Sarah, stop. Let me. Ready, Ty?
Yes.
Okay, Sarah, turn. You hold on. Hold it. Turn around. Turn your back this way. Turn. Voila. Wait. Ready? Hold. Ready?
Go, Sarah.
Bye.
She's so light.
She's so brave. She's so light that her thing turned the other way. Okay, babe, your turn. Oh, people gone the other way who are behind you. Take this one. Can you? Oh, shoot. What I'm gonna give you?
Story?
Yes.
I'm ready?
Yes, go. Yes! We are having the best time. They're gone. They're gone in here. And then they're gonna come down through here. Woohoo! Hey, like a boss. Wait!
I jumped. Can I do it again? Mama, can I do it again?
Yes, you can do it again.
I want to do it again.
Big boss coming. Slow approach.
Show me your leg. Show me how you do that.
Huh?
Show me how you do that.
Do what?
Allez, go the fastest you can. The fastest you can.
Yeah, look at my kids. You see Sarah leading the pack? She's all the way in the little dot in the front. They're in the sky. Look how far from the ground they are. And they're not scared. Hey, she brave, you know? No? She brave. Oh, they're coming down through this? You think so? I think they're gonna come down through this slide. Is there another exit? There's another exit, babe. Come for a ball. See one here. Wait, I'm coming. Here. Yeah. Oh. Tiens, les garçons, tiens. You're going down low. This girl love a good adventure. Look at her. Hold on tight. Hold on.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down.